Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel RS Computer Solutions. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create admin user on Windows 11. Right-click on this PC and select Manage. Expand local users and groups. Select Users, right-click on Users and select New User. Fill username. Fill full username. Fill description. Fill password. Fill confirm password. Uncheck user can change password at next log on. Let's click on user cannot change password. Click on password never expires. Click create, click close. See our home admin user is created. Right-click on Home Admin User and select Properties. Click on Member of tab, click on Add, click Advanced. Click Find Now. Now we have to find the administrators group from this group's list. Here it is. Click OK. Click OK. Remove users group in member of tab. Click on Apply, click OK. Now our home admin user has become a member of the administrators group and the home admin user now has all the same rights as the administrator. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.